Hello everyone. Today we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of date, time, year function in Alteryx. So for this purpose we have to input a data with the help of input tool, and we have to also use filter. So for denoting specific data related to that particular year, so we have to use this date, time and year function. So we'll make use of our previous exercise. So in our previous exercise, we have applied filter to that particular order date in which the data which is available was displayed below 1 May 2015. So around 20 records was there. So I'll just press Ctrl C to go to this new workflow 14. Over here I will press Ctrl V. So I'll just paste that particular tool in this new workflow. Now the workflow is being taken by this particular two tools, input data as well as the filter tool. I'll just drag it here. So the input data which we have taken was sales 2017 copy, 50 records order sheet, and filter was applied. So in the configuration pane, the details about the filter is going to display. Now we have to customize it and we have to display the date, time and year. So you can see that previously the order date basic filter is being applied, order date less than or equal to 1 May 2015. So the data which is below 1 May 2015 is going to be displayed. Now we have to customize it. Click on custom filter, remove this. Now we have to just type date, time, year. Click on tab. Now this function is going to appear over here. DT means you have to specify for which column or for which case you have to apply the filter. So we have to apply it to the order date. Go to order date, click on tab, equal to 2015. So the meaning of this particular date, time, year function is that the data which is there in the year 2015 is going to be displayed in the result workflow only. So how many records are there in 2015, that we will see. So click on run. So you can see around 15-16 records is going to be displayed. Yeah. So 16 records are there for the year 2015. You can see that only 2015 is going to be displayed over here. So you can see that 2015, only 2015 is there. 16 records are there. So specific data can be displayed for that particular year. If this is considering the true condition, if I have clicked on false, the rest of the data is going to be displayed, that is 34. So which is not for the year 2015, it is meant for another year 2017, it may be for 2014, 13, 2012, likewise. So overall there are 50 records. If I have again clicked on true, so the 16 records which is there in 2015 year is going to be displayed. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.